Okay, so these are the incisors, the small ones, and then this is the I need to. Where?
Candy.
Oh, the cannons or they have
The bicaps. The cusp.
cuspid, and then the tongue, parotid gland right here.
So that one, okay. Scissors, cuspids, tongue, esophagus.
Esophagus is right here. This
Okay.
rubbery part.
The stomach.
The stomach right here.
Okay. The cardiac region of the
Cardiac
stomach.
region right here.
And the fundus.
The fundus right here. The curvy part.
The body.
The body is all of it.
Everything. Okay. The pylorus sphincter.
This is the pyloric region, and this is the sphincter right here, where the
Okay.
division is.
Word. Okay. And the liver is that.
The liver right here.
Thank you for this. The gallbladder.
The gallbladder is right here. Gallbladder.
The pancreas.
Pancreas is right here. This kind of like cottage cheese.
Okay. That's the pancreas. The small intestine.
Right here. This will be the duodenum where it
Where it
starts.
connects, okay.
Where it starts.
And then he will lay it flat, right? If you had to know the jejunum, ileum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the ileum is right here, the ending of it.
Okay. Where it meets the cecum.
See, right here. This is the ileum, and then
that's
this
the
is the cecum.
Okay.
And then this will be the ascending colon, transverse, and descending.
Okay. I got those sigmoid.
The sigmoid is under, like,
Down
yeah. Well, actually, if you see like see the curve,
Yeah.
that's the sigmoid. See
Okay.
the curves?
Yeah. The spleen.
It's right here. Can you do me a favor and pull my sleeves up?
The larynx.
Okay, the larynx is all of these regions. The larynx.
Okay. The epiglottis.
Epiglottis right here.
That flap on top. Okay. The thyroid cartilage.
Right here.
Okay. The trachea.
Right here.
Cartilaginous rings are in the individual. Okay. The lungs. Okay. That's that. The ovaries.
Ovaries right here. One
Okay.
and two.
Okay. This model. The uterus.
The uterus is right here. Is it the ureters or uterus?
The uterus. We're in the reproductive.
Okay, so the uterus will be down here. These are the horns,
Okay.
and these are the uterus under the
Okay.
horns,
The body of the uterus.
which is a little bit more down here.
Sperm's in now. We'll look at that later. Cervix, body. Okay, the adrenal glands.
Right here.
Suprarenal. in this
Suprarenal.
case.
See, right here.
Okay. Kidneys.
Right here.
There. Ureters.
The uterus are these two. One connecting with the kidneys, and two.
Sorry, give me a second. Oh, urinary bladder.
Bladder
Okay, and the urethra.
right here.
All right. I think that's it.
No, we should know the men.
Yeah, and then this one.
Oh, the
is-
man, the
They
reproductive.
have it. They have.
Let's see. Let me use this. So This is very interesting because she dissected it so good. The girl that did that. So these are the scrotum, of course, the bag,
That's
the scrotum. These are the testes right here. And this is the epididymis right here,
Okay.
this little part. And then this is the spermatic, what is it?
Spermatic cord?
No, the spermatic cord
Oh,
is
the
this.
ductus deferens?
That's ductus deferens is right here, this region.
Which? Okay, the back. And then the spermatic cord is which one?
The spermatic cord is the whole cord,
Okay.
the whole thing.
So point to ductus deferens one more time.
So ductus deferens right here. It's after the epididymis, you go, and then
Okay,
it's
so
right
it's not
here.
flat. And then the scrotum again is
And the
the back.
scrotum, the bag, yeah. And the testes right here. And I think this is one of the only male caps.
And the
Probably.
urethra is, can you see that one in the male?
No, it has to be dissected.
Oh, okay.
They didn't dissect that one.
Thank you.